Let's look at adding and organizing music in MusicBee. So I've got these songs that I've downloaded into my music folder. I don't have them in my music library for MusicBee though. What we could do is select these and drag them into our player, but now we have to find them. If we right click these fields at the top and do set display fields, and I'm going to search for path so we can see the path. I'm going to right click and auto size these so we can see them a little bit better. I'm going to click path. And now we can clearly distinguish what songs are in our music library folder and what songs aren't. If we select these songs and go to Tools, Organize Files, now we can choose how we want to place these files. Here we can set where we want to place the files. In this case, I want to place them in my music library folder. And I want to name them with this naming convention with just title, as shown here in my library folder where all the songs are listed unorganized. But if we wanted to, we could also add additional fields such as category, or we can organize them by artist, album, and we would donate that with /, and we could do that if we wanted, but I'll cancel that and just do title. And we will make sure to check add to library and hit organize. And now those songs are in our library. They've been moved from here to here. Now we do have this one song that wasn't caught, that wasn't added, so let's add that one. This is another way that we can add music to our library using the inbox. And if we drag a song here, the inbox is sort of a way where we can distinguish what songs are in our library and what songs aren't. At least that's how I use it. So in our inbox, we can go again and select Organize Files. Again, the naming convention will just be the title. We'll say Add to Library and Reorganize. And then we'll notice that that song has been added to our library. Now, while our library is nice, it has all of our songs, it's not organized in any way, shape, or form. So let's go ahead and organize all of the music in our library. So what we'll do is select all of our songs with Control A. We'll go to the top and do Organize Files. We're going to keep the folder path the same, but we're going to give a different naming convention. In this case, artist, album, and track title. We'll see some statuses where some things are missing tags, and we can see how these songs are going to be moved. And then all we need to do is hit reorganize. We have a message that some or more of our songs are missing tags, but that's okay. Now, when we go into our library, we see most of our music has been reorganized. Those that don't have complete tags weren't. But now we see here our songs are organized by artist, album, track. Much more cleaner now. And that's a look at adding and organizing your files in MusicBee.